Hello, hi. Good morning to all. Today we'll discuss about robust and effective approaches in your Java programming. So when you're making an interactions with your database, so some of the command is required. So we use statement object in order to uh, query. That is, you can use your queries to make an interaction with your databases. So by using your update command, you can update your databases. So there are three different types of interfaces which is being used for making interactions with your database. The first one is called as statement, and the second one is prepared statement, and third one is callable statement. All our interfaces, all these statements are interfaces, hence cannot be instantiated. They are created by the connections. So here, using these statement objects, now I have created a connection establishment. I'm going to use a command called as drive manager.get connections. I'm just getting the connection of the Oracle, and the username is Scott and the password is Tiger. The second step is I have created an object called as a statement. By the help of the particular statement, I'm just going to insert a values in the particular database. So here in the SQL statement, I have insert into the particular table called as department. I am inserting a value 50, marketing, value as, and the Mumbai as a value for the SQL queries, and I am executing the particular queries. Then by using your the next thing is using your prepared statement. So here we'll assume that you are making use of an employee table with column called as employee ID and employee name. So now I'm going to establish a connection. Then by using your prepared statement, I have created an object for accessing the particular prepared statement that is called as SMT. So here by the help of the particular connection, I'm just using a prepared statement and I'm inserting the command query called as insert into a table called as employee table, and I'm inserting the values into the particular table. So now the first thing I'm going to insert is employee ID, and the second thing is employee name. That has been defined in the statement called as statement.setInt. That is, I'm defining the statement as 101. That is the employee ID as 101 and the employee name as Radon. So now I'm defining a variable called as I to that is nothing but an object which will help you to execute the particular statement, and I'm displaying a message that the records are inserted. So the next one is statements and prepared statement. The statement interface is used to create a statement that is query to be executed against the database. In this process, you can call in this process you can make a two call is made to the database system. One is to get the table metadata, and another one is to get the data itself. The statement object is also compiled every time it is executed. The prepared statement comes in handy as it's compiled and cached and only makes the database call when invoked. The compilation would skip even if the values in the classes were changes. So about the prepared statement, the prepared statement are used for the queries that are executed many times. They are parsed or compiled by RDBMS only once. Column values can be set up after completions. Instead of values, you can use question marks. Hence, the prepared statement can be thought as a statement that contain a placeholder to substitute the later with the actual values. The next one is executing your update command methods. So by using a function called as execute update with a parameter of string, you can create a statement object for sending a SQL statement to the database. Returns either the row count of the for insert, update or delete statement, or for an SQL statement that is returns nothing. So now I'm going to use, in this example, you are just going to insert a row into the particular database. So I have defined a connection. I have established a connections to the JDBC Oracle, and I have given the username and password as Scott and Tiger. So in the SQL statement, I have created an object called as STMT. So this will help you to access your statement. And I have created a variable called as an I that will help you to execute the particular statement. So now I'm going to insert the value into the table called as pet, and the values are, I'm just inputting 4 values, that is 12, Minu, Gune and cat as an input values to the particular record. Now the next step is inserting record using your prepared statement. So here similarly I have established a connection establishment. Then I have used a command called as insert command. I'm just inserting department number and department name and department location values. So now I'm going to insert the values into the particular query. So by the particular object called as PSTMT, I have created an object to execute the particular queries. So by using this object, I'm going to insert the department number, department name, department locations. Then I'm executing the particular queries. The next statement is about update statement. So assume that you are using a table called as database user with a column called as username. So I have established a connection of that is nothing but your JDBC connections and the username and the password for that particular JDBC is Scott and Tiger. Now I'm updating the particular database called as database user. I'm setting the username and I'm assigning the username. So now I'm setting the username as 101, that is new admin, and the value for the particular name is 101. I'm executing the particular query and I'm outputting the particular results. The next one is delete statement. So similarly, I have used a connection establishment. Then by the query variable called as query, I have used a command called as delete the particular customer ID and executing the particular customer ID. Then it will the particular record will be deleted from the database. So now in the particular example, I'm assuming I'm using a table called as my user with a column called as user ID and username. So here for the class a class for name, I am given as JDBC as Oracle JDBC driver, and I have established a connection. Then by the help of your prepared statement, I have created an object called as PS. I'm just going to insert a value into my user, and I'm inserting employee, that is username, user ID and username. So user ID as 1001 and username as a admin. So that's it. Thank you all.